Hey guys, welcome back. We got the battery terminals pulled on this Dodge. So both negatives are removed and then the starter has come out. So Derek's down there just putting in the starter now. So this Dodge with a no start will start. She's gonna go.
Hopefully.
Rand says hopefully. I got faith. I know what that wrench does.
It'll be doing.
All right, boys. When it comes back, this bitch is gonna be loud. So be happy. Hey guys, welcome back. She's ready to go. Starter's in, so we shouldn't have any problems here.
Hey, it finally gets back to the state organization. Ready? And the next...
That's what I'm talking about. Ow! Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you in the next one. Do us a favor, folks, and like and sub. We really could use it. Just trying to push this channel best we can.